What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Let Me Try That video and my third Oreo taste test video. They just keep churning out different different varieties of Oreos, like, which is kind of bittersweet. It's bittersweet for the fact that growing up we didn't have none of this crap, but now that I'm an adult, I can afford to get it. You know, and like last time, there's some. Actually, most of them I'm excited to try. I'll say two. You know what? Two that I think is gonna be really good. Now, the other two can definitely be hit or miss. There's definitely one. This one, that I don't even know how this happened. It's another cocaine-induced idea from somebody in the boardroom. I don't understand how this happened, but it did, and I'm gonna try it today. I got my glass. Let me pour my milk up. Get that close up on that milk pouring. Yeah, that'll do. Shit. That whole milk. Ugh, I do not. This is the only time I drink milk is when I'm eating Oreos. I usually drink almond milk. Again, like last time, if y'all haven't seen my other videos, I'm gonna try it regular, and then I'm gonna try it with milk, which is the ultimate test to see how good it is. And I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be really honest. I mean, that's the whole point, right? All right. So I think I'm gonna go with this one first. Kettle corn. Kettle corn. I think this could be hit or miss. I think this honestly can be hit or miss. So let's give this a shot. Let's see if I can open it. Got so much cream in the middle. Oh, smell. That actually smells good. I'm not gonna lie, that smells pretty good, man. Ugh. Let's see. Alright. Without. Those are good. They pretty much taste like the other golden ones, but you get a hint. You get a hint of popcorn, a hint of it. And that's really good. I like those. Now, the milk test. My milk take me a little bit. Let's see. Sorry about that, my camera cut off. I tried these with milk. These are really good. I should try them again. Should I try? I don't care. I'll try it again with milk. They were really good. That's why I'll do it again. You understand? Damn iPad. That's good. I'm definitely about to start trying different things instead of Oreo. There's a lot of stuff out there I haven't tried, so. Okay. Now, we're gonna do the, what is it, chocolate peanut butter pie? I think it's hard to mess up chocolate and peanut butter, so I'm excited about this. This is one I was like, I think it's gonna be good, but we will see. Oh wow! Should have smelled it. Oh. kind of it smells like peanut butter, but if you can see in there, that's peanut butter on that side, and it's chocolate on this side. That's probably not a good cookie to look at, but it's chocolate on this side, so it's half and half in here. I don't know what kind of cookie that is, but let's see how it goes. Again, this is the chocolate peanut butter pie. I'm not getting much of the chocolate. It's not bad. It just tastes like peanut butter cookies. Mm. It's alright. It's not special. Not special. I'll take these to work. Not special. Let's see, get that milk test in there. Not special. Alright. Now we got two right here. I should say the best for last. But this one, I don't know how the idea of this even came about. Pistachio Oreos. Whose cocaine-induced idea was this? Like, I don't know. Now, I've eaten pistachios before, but it's never something I just went to the store and like bought. Like, I'm gonna go get some pistachios. No, never had a flavor like a craving for it. But it's on one of the thin ones though, so it might not be as bad. So let's give it a shot. I don't even smell anything. That's weird. A little thin. See the pistachio in there. They really don't have much of a smell. It's freaking me the hell out. Alright. Here goes nothing. Why? Why would this happen? It's not. It's not to the point where I'm just like throw it against the wall, but it's a good thing they made it in these thin ones. They were smart to do that. Because they made it one of these like double stuffed ones, because you get a hint of it. Like the cookie is still dominant, but you get a hint of that pistachio, and it's kind of like definitely going to work. But let's try with milk. Make sure my camera's still rolling. Whose idea? Last time it was freaking what the hell was that? Peeps. Let's see. Again, not terrible, but just you get a hint of it. Like the fact that it's the thin ones, that makes a huge difference because you get a hint, It's not like overpowering. Not awful. But the kettle corn is definitely my favorite one thus far. Okay. This is one I've been most excited about. As soon as I saw them, I was like, I'm doing another taste test video. Then I found the rest of these. Okay. Rocky Road Trip. Let's get it. Because I know the ice cream. But that's the thing. It's hard for me to judge this type of stuff because I'm just such a fatty at heart. Maybe that's the wrong word. I don't know. I like snacking and eating, period. Yeah, I can smell those. You can see the little marshmallows or whatever. Chocolate on chocolate on chocolate. I love chocolate. I love chocolate women too. Let's see. Not bad. Not bad. Kettle corn is still my favorite one though, but this might stay here because I know this is probably gonna be fire with this milk. Let's see. I don't know why I didn't take a friend's tip. They said to use a fork so I can get the entire cookie in there. I forgot to do that. Just an old man stuck in my ways, I guess. Not bad. I can taste a little hint of the marshmallow. And definitely, I think it's like some type of like nuts in here also. Make me scared I'm gonna chip a tooth or something. But that's it. It was a small one today. I know the last one was like huge. But honestly, my least favorite of these is probably these. These are probably my least favorite because the thin ones, they don't overwhelm me with the flavor. And so it was still pretty decent. But those are the best ones out of the bunch to me, to be honest. I like the little hint of actual popcorn flavor. That's good stuff. I love chocolate, so of course I'm gonna rock with it. So, and that's it, man. If there's anything you want to see me try, something new comes out, or just, it don't have to be new. I'm one of those people that don't venture too far away from what I know when I'm hungry. So I'm sure there's a lot of stuff out there that I have not tried yet to eat. So that's it for today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Just me trying random stuff. Hit me up, man. Y'all can talk to me. Don't be scared. I'm nice. Sometimes I can be rude, but that's all right. And that's it for today. Until next time, y'all take care.